What is going on YouTube? GCal Games here, and today we're going to be doing a Demon Slayer or Slayers Unleashed tier list for you guys, blood demon art and some, breathing styles. Now, I know that Roblox is down right now, at least by the time I'm recording this video. It's on Saturday, October 31st. Roblox is currently down, and I really had no idea what to record. I'm like, you know what? Let's bring back some Slayers Unleashed into the channel, and let's record a Slayers Unleashed tier list, guys. If you guys can smash that like button, subscribe, and we're in the road to 5k subs. Help us reach that, because we want to reach that goal. Our goal is it's 10k by the end of the year. I don't know if we can reach that, but maybe 5k, guys. Comment down below. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and start this list. Like, subscribe, let's go. Alright, so the first one on the list, we have Inosuke, or not Inosuke, we have Beast Breathing. Now, Beast Breathing, I would say it's a solid B to A tier. Now, it is a really good breathing style. I just don't know if it's like it's a serving of B spot. I mean, I'll put A. I'll put A. But it's like a B spot. It's not really high A tier, to be honest. It's a really good breathing, but there are others that are way better than it. So it's like, it's a good breathing. Like, what I would like to say is that in this game, pretty much every single breathing is balanced. You can use any breathing you want. Of course, there are breathing that are stronger than others, and some breathing that have few moves. So, for example, if you like sound or serpent breathing, you might be at a disadvantage since you only have 3 moves. But if you, for example, like, just want to use it, there's no problem. You can still use it and be good with it. It's just going to take a little bit more. Of course, those breathings that have less moves are probably going to be a little bit lower in the tier list, just because, it's just like, you know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. It's like they have less moves, so therefore they're not as good as others. Sound breathing is next. It's going into B tier. It is a pretty cool breathing. Just again, as I said, not that many moves. You'll definitely go C, B tier, and it's not even that strong. So unless you get Uzui Killan that you have a buff for sound breathing and you like Tengen, don't go for sound breathing. Next we have wind breathing. Now wind breathing is also gonna go A tier. I don't know if it's better than Beast, honestly. They're like, I don't know. I'm putting them in the same spot, honestly, like this, because like I don't know. Don't mind the orders, guys. Let's just leave it like this. I'll do the order after. I'll just keep putting them into tiers, and then later on I'll do the order of like which one is stronger than which. But basically, wind breathing is right here. Water breathing, definitely like I would say high A tier, not S tier though. Really high A tier. Susumaru Blood Demon Art is A tier, definitely. Like, this carried. When you're a beginner to the game and you're really unlucky and you can't get the good like Akas and that kind of crap, guys, make sure you guys get Tamari, because like Tamari is really good, especially the far range attacks. Those are really good boss killers, especially when you're low level and you just want to defeat some bosses and stuff, because that far away moves are what are going to carry you. I definitely recommend, if you're a beginner to the game, get Mist Breathing, which I'm actually just going to put it already. Mist Breathing and Tamari Blood Demon Art, because Tamari Blood Demon Art and Mist was my combo for the longest time, and it's really good. Definitely a really good boss killer. Mist Breathing with the observation clouds or obscure cloud, something like that. It's definitely really good boss killer, especially when you place it down. It makes the boss walk into it. It's really good boss killer. Flower breathing is gonna go into B tier. Not actually, hold on, I don't remember. I haven't seen flower breathing in a really long time, because nobody uses flower breathing nowadays. So I could be wrong on this. I do know that it's definitely B or A tier, guys. For the sake of this series, I'll put it at B. But because I don't see anybody playing flower, and it's been the longest time, I'm gonna be honest, I completely forgot about flower. So it's between A and B, guys, over here. So just one of these. I would check in Roblox, but it's kind of down, so I can't really check. But A and B is definitely where flower breathing fits in. I know it's not S, but it's between one of these. Flame breathing is going straight up to S tier. So is love breathing. These two are really good breathing styles. Flame breathing does a lot of damage and has so many moves. Definitely get that. And especially we also have Rengoku Clan with that buff. Also, your sword does burn damage when you hit, which is also really good. And love breathing was pretty busted, especially for the fact that you could heal with it. It was really good. The attacks also have really good range. Love breathing is just pretty good in general. Serpent breathing is going over here at B tier, just because there only has 2 or 3 moves right now, and they're honestly not that good. Enmu, I would say it's pretty good. Enmu, I don't know if it's S tier though. I'll put like A tier. Enmu is definitely, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna say it's B tier, but it's honestly A tier deserving. The blood regen one, now this one is gonna go as C tier alongside the Nezuko one. These both just suck. Don't get these demon arts, they're honestly pretty bad. Thunder breathing Zenitsu, gonna put A tier. Thunder breathing just honestly pretty good. Kind of hard to hit the moves, I'm not even gonna lie, but if you can't manage to hit, it can do a lot of damage. And then I'll put Black Thunder really in the same spot. They're both literally the same thing, just one is black, and I'm pretty sure it has like 2 or 3 different moves, but you know, it's still pretty good. Insect breathing goes into A tier. Honestly, I did not like insect breathing that much, or I could put it B. I just put it B tier. I did not like playing insect breathing that much. It was a breathing that I first went for because, you know, I really like Shinobu, and I was gonna go for insect breathing in this game, but it's honestly really hard to play because it does not that much damage. I mean, it has the poison damage perk, but you can get that poison damage perk with the Shinobu nurturing, so you're fine with that, and it just doesn't do that much good damage. And the attacks, honestly, I find them hard to hit sometimes, not all the time. I'm not saying they're hard, but you know, there's other choices. There's better choices. String, I'm gonna put A tier. It's honestly pretty good. String is really, really good. Drum is going C tier. Don't go for drum as well. Nobody cares about that. Moon and Sun are definitely going S tier. Moon does a lot of damage, and Sun, my combo right now, guys, my go-to combo is combo that I've been using for a really long time is Mist and Sun. Mist and Sun is doing insane damage, and it's really good for boss killing. It's just so good, and I definitely recommend getting the Sun and Mist breathing. Doma Blood Demon Art is also another S tier, or if it's not S tier, it's high A, guys. It's either high A or bottom S tier, because it is really good, especially for the fact that you're freezing your opponents. If you're playing with friends, especially like 2v2s or whatever, this is definitely really good because your friend can freeze the opponents and the other one goes for the push, so that's definitely pretty good. Another demon art that's S tier is Akaza. That's like 8 different moves, I believe, and it's really OP. And then last but not least, we have Arrow Blood Demon Art, which is also going A tier. Now, I'm just gonna do a couple changes. I think, in my opinion, I'll put like this here, this here. This can go down a little bit. I feel like Thunder is like here, and I feel like this is better like that. This can go up. I don't know how well Emu is right now, to be honest, guys. I barely played with Emu. I didn't even record a video on Emu. I forgot to record on it, so I'm not 100% sure how the Emu one is right now. But I think this is good over here the way that it is. No, Kano comes over here. Yeah, I think this is a good tier list, guys. Comment down below your thoughts on all of this. This is just my opinion. Comment down below your version of this tier list in the comments down below, because I definitely want to check it out. Comment down below, what do you guys think of this, and what do you think of Slayers Unleashed? And comment if Roblox is still down by the time you guys are watching this video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Please, peace.